down for what?
Okay, did the Raiders win or what? Okay, the Raiders won 4 quarters. They had to maintain that toughness all the way to 4 quarters. Okay, they won. They beat the Jets 20-34 Raiders. They got to do the same thing next week in Pittsburgh. Yeah, same thing. Davis being protected. He has good pass protection. He gets his deep threats. Cooper, Crabtree, then again his tight ends. Then he has his fullback Reese, and then his running backs. So again, the Raiders won. Yeah, and we'll have more highlights next week. Tune in next week, okay? Okay. Hey, and did you see that hit Geno Smith took? I mean, what was he thinking? He's running again. What was he going to try to do? A touchdown? Trying to hog it all up? Look what happens here. And bam! Geno Smith, you're lucky you didn't get a broken jaw. Again, after a good game. I did some push-ups earlier. I'm a little bit tired. But hey, everybody, send some comments to the show if you want. Tell me what you think, Let me know what you thought of the game. Send me some videos. I'll put it on. Help me out a little bit. I'm reaching out to you guys, okay? So let's do this together. We're a Raider Nation, okay? Let's stick together, help each other out, okay? So Pittsburgh, here comes the Raiders.